Struggling with lag and dropped frames, ruining your stream? Here is the ultimate 2025 fix to keep your Streamlabs performance smooth and your viewers happy. Fixing lag and drop frames may result in an awful streaming experience, and in order for you to avoid that, try following these steps. The first thing that you want to do is head to the settings, and here you want to navigate to the advanced options. In the process priority, instead of having it normal, you are going to change that to above normal. If that still doesn't work, try to go to high. After that, go to video. Here in the video setting, what we are going to do is change our base canvas resolution. My screen monitor is a 1080p, so I'm just going to leave it as it. For our output or scale resolution, this is what we are going to be streaming. So we are going to change it to 1080p. For the downscale filter, we are going to change it to Lexus. The next thing that we are going to do is FPS type. For the FPS type, we are going to go to common FPS values. And here, if you are streaming games, I want you to go and change this to 60 FPS. That will definitely help your gaming experience. The next thing that we are going to do is the output. Here in the output mode, instead of simple, we are going to change it to advanced. Then scroll down to encoder. For the encoder, we are going to use quick sync. And here target usage. Let's change that to quality and then the bitrate. This is very important. If you are streaming high quality games, I want you to change this to around 6000. That should be enough. After that, we are going to click done in order for everything to take effect. That's how we are going to fix lag and drop frames in 2025 using Streamlabs desktop. So that's it for today. If you have found this video informative, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.